Right, once you've got the lead off, you should have gone through with the blade deep enough for the paper to split. I just pried this one open a little bit before I turn the camera on, just to make it a little bit easier. Normally I stand it up on there and I get the chisel, put down between those three, and then split them open. Chisel. So you get that. Split them open, and then just basically get in there and pull it apart. And it'll come apart and you will end up with all this greasy shit. Then make sure you've got a dumpy bag to put all that crap in, because otherwise it's just everywhere. Then once those are out, you end up with this. And hang on, let's put this back up here. Now that stuff is it's got like a greasy paper over it, and use a diamond blade. Just a normal 4.5 inch diamond blade for cutting masonry. But make sure you go through till you see the copper. Don't rush it and then leave a bit, not cut through one layer of paper, because the time it takes to cut through one properly, you'll spend 3 to 4 times trying to get the paper off. So just take your time doing it, and go from this end to that end, so it's throwing the spoil away, because then you can see the copper. If you go from this end, you chuck in all the shit over, and you can look down and go, oh, I fucking missed a bit there. Like, you can go back over it. But yeah. Once you've done that, cut side up, and twist. Is this coming out? Yeah. Twist that off. I purposely missed a bit there to show you, if you don't go all the way through. See how easy that came off. But now this, where it didn't go through, you're just fanning around. Doing that, whereas if you spend a little time just going all the way through, it's just so much more easier. And don't store this somewhere where it's going to get warm. The minute it warms up, if it gets too hot, it just liquefies and pours out all over the place. But hopefully, yeah, that'll Maybe it'll make it easier for somebody else to strip this down. Where are we? I was just going to show this is the state of my floor. That there is my reciprocating salt. And it's just covered in this greasy shit. But it's all good fun, isn't it? Oh yeah. Put a sheet up. That stops it throwing it all over the place. If it starts to smoke, if you're cutting it, use a fume extractor, because you get a raging headache off of whatever it is that's coming off of that. But yeah, there we go. I hope that helps somebody out. Cheers then, boy.